Morning. It's 7th of March and it's 9:45 in the morning and the weather is rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. Roll on summer where we can have the flowers. Mind you, I'm moaning about a bit of wind and rain. I watch and subscribe to Arcane Woodsman, and he's in Michigan, and the videos he puts on, like Lake Michigan, and their weather is horrendous. But I'm videoing a little bit of wind in my back garden, like. And of course I won't leave Lucy out. You right, Luce? Let's turn you around. God, this chair's so heavy. Lucy? Luce? Look at me. Alright, baby. You don't like being disturbed. You're staying in, aren't you, hey? You don't need to go out in that weather. Not unless you have to. It doesn't actually look that bad in the front. You okay? You go back to sleep. Yeah, see, it's quite wild in the back. As you know, this channel is various things that I video, so this is my weather update. It won't be a regular thing, don't worry. But yeah, I am interested in various weathers. Don't like being out in them, but love to video them. Okay, see ya!